Discover Volumio, elevating your music experience. Welcome to Volumio, where passion meets precision in high-fidelity audio streaming. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile or a newcomer to the world of high-resolution sound, Volumio offers a range of products tailored to your listening needs. The Motivo is designed for those who demand the very best in both sound quality and ease of use. It combines Volumio's high-end software with premium hardware, offering crystal-clear sound with dynamic range and deep bass. Whether you're playing vinyl or streaming from your favorite service, Motivo delivers an unmatched audio experience. The intuitive touchscreen interface lets you control your music with ease, and the sleek, modern design ensures it complements any home decor. The Volumio Primo is designed for those who appreciate the warmth and depth of analog sound. Featuring a top-tier ESS 9038Q2 MDAC, it delivers pristine audio quality. With support for various formats like DSD, WAV, FLAC, and MP3, and connectivity options including USB, SPDIF, and HDMI, the Primo ensures versatile compatibility. Its compact aluminum chassis, crafted in Florence, Italy, houses a powerful M-Logic S9 05D 3-quad-core processor, making it both efficient and stylish. The Digital Streaming Bridge. For audiophiles seeking a dedicated digital transport, the Volumio Rivo is the perfect solution. Rivo streams music to your DAC with unparalleled purity and accuracy. It supports high-resolution formats up to 768 kHz/32-bit PCM and DSD 256. The device boasts multiple outputs, including USB, SPDIF, AES/EBU, and HDMI, ensuring seamless integration with various audio systems. Its advanced power supply design minimizes noise, delivering a clean and stable signal. Rivo is also Roon-ready, offering seamless integration with Roon Labs. Volumio Integro, the all-in-one amplifier. The Integro is Volumio's flagship all-in-one solution, combining a high-quality DAC, streamer, headphone amplifier, and speaker amplifier in one elegant unit. Powered by dual MA12070P amplifiers, it delivers 2x 50 watts RMS at 8 ohms and 2x 70 watts RMS at 4 ohms. The Integro supports high-resolution audio up to 192 kHz/24-bit and offers various inputs and outputs, including RCA, SPDIF, and HDMI. Its built-in headphone amplifier provides up to 480 milliwatts of power, ensuring a rich listening experience through high-impedance headphones. Why choose Volumio? Premium sound. Quality. Each device is engineered to deliver the highest audio fidelity. Versatile connectivity. Seamlessly integrates with various audio systems and supports multiple streaming services. User-friendly interface. Control your music effortlessly through the Volumio app or web interface. Crafted in Italy, designed and assembled with precision in Florence, ensuring top-notch build quality.